Hey there! Ever wonder how AI is taking over classrooms? Want to know its perks and pitfalls? You won't believe how some students are using it or misusing it. From homework magic to exam cheats, we're diving in deep. The role of teachers in this tech era and some ethical dilemmas you've never thought about. Is using AI for assignments really considered cheating? Thousands have weighed in and the answer might surprise you. Alright, let's get hacking. The first question is, what is AI and how is its use increasing? So as a contrast to the intelligence of people or animals, artificial intelligence refers to the intelligence of machines or software. It is also the area of computer science where intelligent devices are created and studied. The term AI can also refer to actual devices. The use of AI among students is high nowadays because it solves the question without much effort. As everything has its advantages and disadvantages, the same goes as well for AI. With daily technological developments like artificial intelligence, enabling personalized learning via smart material on an individual's phone when students need it most due to adaptive learning technology, students can do remarkable things nowadays. There are several benefits for students in addition to the capabilities of AI systems in education. The outstanding skills of these intelligent devices, such as their capacity to continuously supply knowledge from a variety of sources and their lack of forgetfulness, have been employed by instructors and educators throughout the world to boost student performance. Students won't experience the gaps in educational resources that arise while using more conventional approaches such as books or lectures because they can locate the answers through easily available sources like Wikipedia or Google Scholar. This has made it possible for all kinds of individuals, including those in remote locations. However, the chances of cheating are high. Because of this risk, teachers are always finding solutions. Although it's helpful, some students still use it for cheating and the quantity of students who cheat is increasing. For some students, this entails switching back to traditional paper assignments from online exams. Some lecturers will even demand that students provide their work's editing history and earlier drafts as evidence of their thought processes. However, some teachers believe that pupils have always found a method to cheat, and that AI is only the most recent weapon. Just over half of the participants in a recent Best College poll believe that utilizing AI tools to complete assignments and examinations constitutes as cheating or plagiarism. Students can benefit from the use of artificial intelligence to study more efficiently. This is accomplished by giving each student a personalized learning plan based on their development and aptitude. As a result, everyone in the same class may receive different training depending on how they are progressing with certain ideas or skills. There is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all strategy for teaching a lesson, as skilled educators have long realized. Setting the ideal speed while including every conceivable learning type in each class is all but impossible. The ability to offer thorough explanation and help students with their homework in a range of areas is a feature of ChatGPT, a sizable chunk of text from the internet, including a variety of academic and non-academic sources, was used to train ChatGPT. This makes it possible for it to offer details and justification on a variety of subjects. Complex inquiries can be understood by ChatGPT, which can also offer layered explanations. Whether it's a mathematical issue, a scientific idea, a historical occurrence, or a literacy interpretation, ChatGPT can thoroughly dissect the subject. ChatGPT can offer precise, succinct, and organized answers for tasks that need problem-solving or step-by-step processes. It may lead students through each stage of the procedure and make sure they comprehend each one. ChatGPT can simplify complex ideas into explanations that are easy to grasp. It may reduce jargon and difficult language, making it simpler for pupils to understand the essential concepts. ChatGPT assists students in connecting theoretical ideas to actual context in real-world instances. This promotes a greater comprehension of how ideas or concepts operate in various contexts. Including AI in lessons gives teachers the chance to help students better comprehend this quickly developing field of technology. Teachers may assist students build a critical understanding of AI by introducing it into the curriculum. The advantages of ChatGPT include teaching students new skills, offering comments on their essays, and coming up with creative assignment ideas. The AI-powered chatbot is accessible around the clock and a terrific method to improve writing skills, ask pertinent questions, and even obtain summaries from lengthy text. Since ChatGPT is open 24/7, students may get help right away when they need it outside of regular teaching hours. Finding this insightful so far? Don't forget to hit that like button and let us know. It keeps us motivated to bring you more content just like this. Conversations serve as a model for typical discussion, assisting learners in becoming more at ease with conversational language. Instant feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation is available through ChatGPT. With this quick correction, students may repair errors and immediately advance their language abilities. Learners may come across and pick up new words and phrases in context through discussions. To help with vocabulary growth, ChatGPT also offers definitions, synonyms, and use examples. To find copied work, several academic institutions employ anti-plagiarism software. These instruments can assist in spotting instances of plagiarism in students' work and act as a deterrent. Encourage analytical and critical thinking in your task. In order to show a better comprehension of the subject, emphasize the value of synthesizing information from many sources and include personal perspectives. In educational contexts, promote the ethical use of AI technologies like ChatGPT. During tests, students can utilize ChatGPT to acquire outside knowledge, explanations, and solutions, giving them an unfair advantage over others who just depend on their own knowledge. Students may utilize ChatGPT to create comments for essays or other projects, sometimes plagiarizing text and presenting as their own. Some students may utilize ChatGPT to pre-write their replies or notes and then use these materials during examinations to avoid having to show their real-time understanding. The validity of the test is jeopardized when students use ChatGPT to cheat. Evaluation of pupils' actual subject matter comprehension becomes challenging. Cheating damages educational institutions' commitment to academic integrity and lowers the value of all students' credentials, even those who have worked hard to obtain their marks. Stress the significance of ethically and appropriately using these technologies while upholding the intellectual property rights of content providers. Resolving plagiarism issues relating to ChatGPT and comparable AI technologies necessitates a complex strategy encompassing educational institutions, teachers, and students. It is feasible to lessen the hazards posed by the improper use of AI in education by encouraging a culture of academic integrity and offering advice on ethical research and writing techniques. Use remote tools to keep an eye on students' actions during online tests. The use of other websites or programs is one example of suspicious behavior that these solutions can identify. Use a range of question types, including open-ended inquiries, problem-solving exercises, and oral exams, which are less vulnerable to fraud when AI is used. Alternative evaluation techniques that are less susceptible to cheating by AI includes projects, presentations, and hands-on exercises. Implement adaptive testing techniques to make it more difficult to cheat by using outside sources by adjusting the difficulty of the question based on a student's performance. It is vital to promote critical thinking alongside the usage of AI, since it equips students with the independence to evaluate, apply, and challenge knowledge, supporting lifelong learning and adaptation in an AI-driven environment. By giving students open-ended, real-world challenges that call for investigation, creativity, and critical thinking, teachers may promote autonomous analysis and application of information while also fostering students' independence and self-assurance. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to The Hacker's Journal. It gives us sweet motivation to create more content. Like the video and join the conversation down below in the comments section. And let us know whether you support ChatGPT or CheatGPT.